Howdy y'all, it's Mega Gaming back at it again with some more Doom 3. In the last episode, we got the plasma gun, we prevented something from happening. That something is like us being burnt to death. Blow up, blow up. Blow up. Yeah. Oh god, there's demons everywhere. Okay. Okay. So, how's y'all's day today? My day was going good, and it's still going good. Someone I know has had a bad day. As of recording this video. Hopefully the day gets better, and tomorrow day would be better. But what I'm saying is I hope tomorrow is gonna be better for them, because I care about them a lot. Okay, onward. Alive, supposed to bells. Yeah. Ooh. That's for me. Okay. Oh shit. Okay. I need some HP. I am in desperate need of HP. Shit. That sounds like a beast is nearby. I don't have a code. Ooh. Steve Hammer. Okay, Steve Hammer, do you have the code? Please say it. Yeah, you have the code, right?
Steve Hammer, service technician. Since Private Swenson wigged out, shot up that drink machine, then lit himself up with a plasma gun, we've all been a bit nervous. All of us in maintenance knew he was losing it. Finally, when that darn drink machine wouldn't accept his credits, he lost it. Started swearing up and down. You had to laugh when that machine lit up, but before any of us could react, he fed himself enough plasma to power an office building. There wasn't enough head to clean up. Just vapor. It's a bad thing to happen to anyone. Anyway, I know with all the psych problems we've had lately, we need the additional security, but when the guards start going nuts, I don't know, all this extra weapons and ammunition, I mean, do we really need so much firepower laying around?
Yes.
Well, a couple of us decided to lock up all of the unsecured plasma rounds we could find. The code is 734. I think we'll all sleep a bit better tonight knowing it's locked up.
Thank you, Steven. I am back up full again. Onward. Ooh. I don't like that.
Hey.
Hey.
Over here. We were hit. I don't know how much farther I can go. Here. Take the transmission card. We can't stay here. Isn't safe. We better move.
Yeah. I'm killing you. Fuck. Dick. Something up here. Alright. I guess. It's an airlock. Shame he died. Okay. Oh, I have to press. Go, 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 go. I should move. Shit, okay. More oxygen. Okay. I can do this. Open. Okay, no. Okay, yes. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Hurry up, hurry up. Yeah, okay, I made it.
Green, get your ass to the communications facility as quickly as possible. We've got to get that message to the fleet.
I'm trying. I did not see him. God, that's a lot of blood. Ooh. Okay. Oh shit. 69 HP. Scan. Okay. Don't know why I did that. I'm guessing. Ooh. Alright, making my way. Aww. Okay, this. Oh shit, I need oxygen. Go. This. Stand by, come on. Go. Go. Jeez. God. Cells. Okay, that killed him. Reload. God, this is getting more tense. There. There. Yes, shotgun. Ah. This is a Caco demon. You know, usually it had one eye. Am I saying that right? Caco demon? It's the big red monster with the one eye. You know, most of the Doom, I know one Doom demon is like from D&D. Okay, I'm running low on ammo. Not a good sign. Ooh. Let me reload. Yep, I knew. Oh, he has a chainsaw. I want that chainsaw, but okay. No, give me the chainsaw. Yeah! Ah, we got the chainsaw. Oh god. Okay, thank god. What would they need chainsaws for? Legitimately. It's a a bit weird. Okay. Oh man. Platform in here. Peace out. Okay. Okay. Yeah, you should have been invisible first. Okay. Ooh. Wait, I have a chainsaw. Yeah. Ew, you have no head. Ooh. Oh, I'm not using the chainsaw. Okay. Ah, that was a close one. Okay. Guess I'll go this way. Oh! Shit. Oh god. Really on a well on the ground. Ugh. Oh man, looks like hell's coming. Take this. Huh, this does more damage. Interesting. Alright. Yes. Oh, time to go this way, I guess. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah, die. Yeah, I haven't used shotgun in a while. I should. Okay. Well, I have time to save on some ammo. Yeah, I'm not going in there. Yeah. Ah. Nothing? Ooh. There is something. Take this shotgun. Oh, that was game. Okay,
Service lift called to station.
station am I? Left in use. Okay, that means I have to. Oh, okay. Nice. It's right here. Forward. I trust the left. Oh, you can also go up and down. Interesting. Ooh. Gave him. Alright. Let's go up. I have no idea where I'm going. effectively. No. Nope. Grenades. Ooh. Huh. Okay. More cells. Ooh. Run away. Ah. That. Okay, I'm assuming I'm going the right way. Since I'm killing enemies left and right. Apparently not. God, okay. Can't find my way around. Ooh. Oh, he has, there we go. I have grenades and you have a chainsaw. Ugh.
Maintenance exit now accessible.
Okay, I need to go to maintenance. Okay. I'm just gonna go back. Onward. Oh shit. Okay. It's on. Oh, this is okay. How do I? Zah! Shit. Zah! Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay, there was nothing. No enemies. Ugh. Ooh. There. Forward. Oh, there's nothing there that I can't want. Oh, there's stuff up here? Oh. How about you just... I don't see it. Oh, okay. Slowly going down. Okay, no demons. No demons. Okay, that's great. Ugh. Ooh, HP. This. Look at that. Apparently I'm doing something.
Service lift called to station.
Yes, cold station. Okay, I need to go to there, right? No? Oh, I'm in levels 2, okay. Ooh, is that HP? Nope, ammo. Okay. Just take me to the left there. That's it. I like the fact that this gun can like destroy their projectiles. Yeah. Okay. Oh shit. Okay. cool. What does it do? Ooh. Oh, no way. Yeah, berserk mode. Get these hands. Oh shit. Get these hands. Okay. Well, that was awesome. Oh yeah. That was really cool. Just punching stuff. Oh shit. Go, 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 go. Shit. Okay, okay, okay. Yes, I did it. Communications. Let me adjust my chair. For some reason, one of my legs is losing some. It's getting sleepy. Don't know why.
Reed, are you at the communications facility yet?
I am.
You gotta get that message to the fleet now. Watch out for what happens to Annie. I gotta move on.
That. I should go down here. Yeah, I'll be there. I'm sure if I just stay in here, I'll be safe. There you go. I did. Oh, that's the end of the video, guys. If you got this far, though, must mean you enjoy watching me play Doom 3. And if you did, hit the like, share, and subscribe button. It would really help me out in my channel out a lot if you hit those 3 buttons. Leave a comment giving me feedback or encouragement. I would greatly appreciate it and would love to read those comments. Hit the notification bell to see when I post a video, usually at 12 PM Central Time. Thank y'all for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Have a good day.